Hey, this is Steve, product specialist here at 1000bulbs.com, and today I want to show you the new under cabinet fixtures from PLT Solutions. As the name suggests, these fixtures are perfect for under cabinet applications. Whether you're at home or in your business, you can choose from 9-inch, 12-inch, 18, 21, 24, 33, or 42-inch varieties. Once installed, these fixtures are easily controlled with a rocker switch. There's also a switch enabling you to switch between warm white and cool white. Right now, this is the warm white setting. The flick of a switch, I've got them to cool white. You'll also want to know that these are dimmable using any standard 120-volt LED dimmer. An added benefit to these fixtures, whether you have them over your countertops or over your workspace, is the high CRI, or color rendering index. Whether you need your reds to be red or your blues to be blue, you can certainly count on this fixture to do just that. You'll also see that there are plenty of knockouts on this fixture, so your electrician will have no problem finding the right place to install these and have plenty of access to the wiring inside. These fixtures have a very low profile as well, making them very easy to conceal in any installation. When considering under cabinet fixtures, please keep in mind PLT Solutions' plethora of options. If you have any questions or would like to make a purchase, give one of our knowledgeable lighting experts a call at 1-800-624-4488 or visit us at 1000bulbs.com. Don't forget to click the like button if this is valuable for you. And for more lighting product spotlights, tips, and education, please hit that subscribe button too. You can even turn on notifications by clicking the bell so you'll know exactly when we upload new content. We'll see you next time.